Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to start next chapter, which is surface area and volume. This chapter is just the continuation of what we have already studied in class 9th. The same formulas would be applied here to find surface area and volume and combination of the 3D figures like sphere, cube, cuboid, cone and cylinder. So we will start with the first question of exercise 12.1. Two cubes, each of volume 64 centimeter cube, are joined end to end. Find the surface area of the resulting cuboid. So, as you can see in the figure, when two cubes are joined side to side, they form a cuboid. So, the base and height of the cuboid would be the same, but the length of the cuboid would be twice the edge of cube. So first we will find edge of cube, which would be 4 centimeter. So length of resulting cuboid would be 8 centimeter. Breadth and height would be 4 centimeter each. We will apply the formula of surface area 2 bracket LB plus BH plus LH, and we will get surface area as 160 centimeter square. Second question, a vessel is in the form of a hollow hemisphere mounted by a hollow cylinder. The diameter of hemisphere is 14 centimeter and total height of vessel is 13 centimeter. Find the inner surface area of vessel. So the vessel is in the form of a hemisphere mounted by a cylinder. So the inner surface area would be the sum of curved surface area of hemisphere and curved surface area of cylinder. We will not take the base and top of the cylinder. So CSA of hemisphere would be 2 pi r square, which would be 308 centimeter square, and the height of cylinder would be 13 minus 7, 6 centimeter. So CSA of cylinder would be 2 pi RH, and it is 264 centimeter square. So the inner surface area of vessel would be 572 centimeter square. Third question, a toy is in the form of a cone of radius 3.5 centimeter mounted on a hemisphere of same radius. The total height of toy is 15.5 centimeter. Find the total surface area of toy. So here also we will add surface area of hemisphere and cone. For this, first we will find CSA of hemisphere 2 pi r square. It is 77 centimeter square. And for CSA of cone, we need L, which is slant height. So we will apply the formula L equal root h square plus r square. So L would be 12.5 centimeter in this case. So CSA of cone would be pi r L. It would be 137.5 centimeter square. So total surface area of toy would be sum of these both, which would be 214.5 centimeter square. Question number 4. A cubical block of side 7 cm is surmounted by a hemisphere. What is the greatest diameter of the hemisphere we can have, and we have to find the surface area of the solid. So the greatest diameter of hemisphere would be the side of cube, because it will be the diagonal of the cube also. So it would be 7 cm. Surface area of solid would be area of cube plus CSA of hemisphere minus base of hemisphere. So for this we will put all the values of the edge of cube and the radius of the hemisphere, and we will apply the formula 6 pi r square plus 2 pi r square minus pi r square, and we will get, after solving, 332.5 centimeter square. Question 5. A hemispherical depression is cut out from the face of a cubical wooden block such that the diameter L of hemisphere is equal to the edge of cube. Determine the surface area of remaining solid. So diameter of hemisphere is equal to side of cube, which is L. Surface area of solid is area of cube plus CSA of hemisphere minus base of hemisphere. It would be same as the previous question. 6 into edge square plus pi r square 2 pi r square minus pi r square. So it would be 6l square plus pi l square by 2 minus pi l square by 4. We will take LCM of both the fractional parts of this equation and we will get 6l square plus 2 pi l square minus pi l square upon 4. So it would be 1 upon 4 l square bracket pi plus 24 units. Next question, question number 6. A medicine capsule is in the form of a cylinder with two hemisphericals stuck to each of its ends as shown in the figure. The length of entire capsule is 14 mm and the diameter of capsule is 5 mm. Find its surface area. So diameter of the cylinder would be 5 mm. So radius would be 5 by 2 mm and same would be the radius of hemisphere. Height of the cylinder would be 14 minus 2 into the radius. So it would be 9 mm. Total surface of capsule would be curved surface area of cylinder plus 2 into CSA of hemisphere. So it would be 2 pi r square into h plus 2 into 2 pi r square. So it would be, after solving these both fractions, we will get 1540 upon 7, which would be 220 meters square. Question number 7. A tent is in the form of cylinder surmounted by a conical top. If the height and diameter of cylindrical part are 2.1 meter and 4 meter respectively and the slant height of the top is 2.8 meter, find the area of canvas used for making the tent. Also find the cost of canvas of the tent at the rate of rupees 500 per meter square. So we can see the tent is in the form of a cone and a cylinder. So to find the area of canvas, we need the surface area of the whole figure, or you can say the tent. So area of canvas required would be CSA of cone, which is the curved part of the cone, and the CSA of cylinder. So it would be pi RL plus 2 pi RH. We will substitute the values and we will get pi RL plus 2 pi R square, 2 pi RH. It would be 17.6 plus 26.4, it would be 44 meters square, and the cost of canvas would be 44 into 500, it would be 22,000 rupees. Next question, question number 8. From a solid cylinder whose height is 2.4 centimeter and diameter 1.4 centimeter, a conical cavity of same height and same diameter is hollowed out. Find the total surface area of the remaining solid to nearest centimeter square. So for cylinder, R would be 0.7 centimeter, height would be 2.4 centimeter. For cone, R would be 0.7 centimeter, height 2.4 centimeter, and L slant height would be 2.5 centimeter, as you can see. So TSA of the remaining solid would be CSA of cylinder plus area of base plus CSA of cone. We will add all these three things, 2 pi RH plus pi r square plus pi RL. So we will substitute the values of R, H and L here and we will get 17.6 centimeter square. Question number 9. A wooden article was made by scooping out hemisphere each end of the solid cylinder as shown in the figure. If the height of cylinder is 10 centimeter and its base radius is 3.5 centimeter, find the total surface area of the article. So for cylinder, R would be 3.5 centimeter and H would be 10. For hemisphere, R would be 3.5 centimeter. TSA of this article would be CSA of cylinder plus 2 into CSA of hemisphere. So we will find 2 pi RH plus 2 into 2 pi R square. So it would be 374 centimeters square. So the TSA of article would be 374 centimeters square. Here we are done with this exercise 12.1. If you have any doubt, you can ask in the comment section. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned.